Hi, I'm Jeff Mawson, Application Engineer here at Advantech. Today I'd like to demonstrate how to recover from one of the common causes of no video output display in Windows. This can happen on any mobile, low-powered or embedded chipset using the Windows operating system. For our demo today, we'll be using the ARK-3040 Core i7 fanless embedded computer and the FPM3171 17-inch industrial grade touch monitor. Now, our low-powered systems use embedded chipsets that were originally designed with laptops in mind. However, this has the side effect of this video display issue due to the way that Intel designed their video output system. Now, if you're using LVDS as your video output, this will not affect you. The problem arises when you run Windows without a display device plugged in. Without a display device, Windows will default to the LVDS output whether or not it exists or is connected. Until manually told to output to the DVI, VGA, or HDMI output again, it will stay on LVDS. Now, there are a few ways to fix this, and it depends on your version of Windows and your version of the Intel driver. First, I'll guide you through the keyboard shortcuts on Windows 7. So we have here our display, nothing's out on it. All you have to do is hold down the Windows key and hit P twice, and then release the Windows key. In a couple of seconds, it should come back on. You might be in mirrored mode or duplicate mode. If you just hit it again, you'll be able to actually see what you're selecting, and you're going to want to select projector only, which you cycle through them by hitting P, and then release the Windows key, and now you're set on your proper display. If the keyboard shortcut method doesn't work for you, it probably means that Windows isn't booting up properly, or you have a login password or something. So the other way to do it is to completely uninstall the driver and then reinstall it with the screen initialized. The first step of that is force the computer to shut down by holding the power button for about 5 seconds. Alright, we're going to go ahead and power up the system. Be ready to hit F8. After the BIOS, there we go, hitting F8. Okay, we're going to enable safe mode. Go to that and hit enter. We'll load a bunch of command line things. That's normal for safe mode, don't be alarmed. Okay, once you're booted into safe mode, this little pop-up about safe mode will show up. You can go ahead and close that. And you're going to go to the start menu and go to computer and right click on there. Select properties. We'll then want to go to device manager up here, top left. And find your display adapter right here. Here's the Intel graphics. Right click on that and select uninstall. And also delete the driver software while you're doing this. And then hit OK. It'll take a couple of seconds and then ask you to reboot. Go ahead and say yes to that. OK, once you're booted back into safe mode, it will be in a lower resolution mode. Arrow will be disabled, that's fine. You might get this pop-up about your VGA adapter, just ignore that. You're going to want to install the graphics driver again. It may already be on your computer in a drivers folder. If not, just go ahead and download it from our support website, which is in the link below. I already have it here, so I'm going to run setup. Select yes. We'll just be doing the default install options. You can leave anything checked. Yes, continue, next. After it installs, it'll ask for you to reboot, and then it should be set. Okay, it's booted back up, but we still don't have any display output. The new driver still wants to default to LVDS, but since we verified from safe mode and the previous boot that Windows is logging in normally, we can now use the keyboard shortcut. So you want to make sure it's had some time to load Windows. It's about 30 seconds, maybe a minute, minute and a half. And then hold down the Windows key and select P twice. and then release, and in a couple seconds it'll come right up, and it's all set. You're good to go. This will conclude our demonstration of how to recover from one of the typical causes of no display output in Windows 7, part of our Advantech iPlanet series. In our previous video, we showed how to recover from Windows XP, so please take a look at that if you need help with XP. To learn more about these products, please visit buy.advantech.com. Thanks for watching.